फिफ्थ के ह्यूमन आई एंड कलरफुल वर्ड इसके इंपॉर्टेंट देखिए। सबसे पहले 3-4 सेंटेंसेस वाले शॉर्ट वाले देखिए। ए प्रिज्म विथ एन एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू 60 degrees produced an angle minimum deviation of 30 degrees. Find the refractive index of material of the prism. In human eye ball, explain the part cornea and write the uses it. In human eye ball, explain the part iris and write this uses it. Write how the iris and pupil work together. Write the nature of the image formed on the retina of eyeball. Explain the working nature, difference between rods and cones of the retina in the human eyeball. Write how size, shape and color of image perceive the brain. ठीक है। उसके बाद 5-6 सेंटेंस वाले। To perform an activity to get artificial rainbow in your classroom, write the required material and step of procedure. Explain the defect of vision, presbyopia and how is corrected. In myopia defect of vision, we need to select a lens which form image for point D. For an object infinity, find the focal length of the lens and which lens is used. In hypermetropia defect of vision, we need to select a lens which formed image at the near point -D. For an object at 25 cm, find the focal length of the lens and which lens is used. Why does the light dispersed by the raindrop appears as shown as bow? Why is that the sky appears white some points when you view it in certain direction on hot days? What is the reason for appearance the red color of the sun during sunrise and sunset? उसके बाद can you guess the reason why sun does not appear red during noon hours? The aim of activity to demonstrate scattering of light. Write the list out of the material and set procedure. How to change the focal length of eye lens to get the same image distance for various position of object in front of the eye. उसके बाद लॉन्ग देखिए 8 to 10 सेंटेंस वाले। The aim of the experiment to find the least distance of distinct vision and the angle of vision. Write the required material, step, procedure and generalization. The aim of the experiment to find the refractive index to prism. Write the required material, steps of procedure and generalization. Explain the defect of vision, myopia, with the figure and its correction of the defect of vision. Explain the defect of vision, hypermetropia, with figure and its correction of defect vision. What happens to the free atom or molecules when it exposes a certain frequency of light? Explain the individual droplet of dispersion in the rainbow formation. Explain why light split into different color when it passes through the prism. White light passes through the prism, it split into 7 colors. If suppose we have sent a single color ray through the prism, does it split into more color? Why? इसी से रिलेटेड कुछ पार्ट भी है देखिए। द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन रेटिना एंड लेंस ऑफ आई बॉल्स कौन सा है आपको लिखना है। इन विच रेंज द आई लेंस इज एडजस्टेड टू गेट क्लियर इमेज ऑन इट रेटिना एंड ह्यूमन आई बॉल. The ability of eye lens to change its focal length of eyeball is called. The degrees of covariance of divergence of light rays that can be achieved by the lens expressed into the term sheet. The ray which comes out from the prism.